Prewriting helps English learners turn an unclear idea into a clear paragraph. The process usually begins with brainstorming. In this stage, the writer quickly writes down every word, phrase, or idea that comes to mind about the topic. The goal is not to judge the ideas, but to collect as many as possible. A learner writing about a school day, for example, might think of the classroom, homework, friends, lunch, and a teacher, even if the ideas seem disconnected at first. After brainstorming, clustering can help organize the thoughts. Clustering means putting the main topic in the center and drawing related ideas around it. These ideas can then be grouped by theme. A cluster about school might separate ideas into classes, people, activities, and feelings. This visual method is useful because it shows connections between ideas and helps the writer see which points belong together. The next step is outlining. An outline arranges the best ideas in a logical order before the paragraph is written. Usually, it includes a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. For English learners, outlining is valuable because it reduces confusion and creates a simple plan. A writer can decide what to say first, what examples to include, and what final point to make. A strong pre-writing routine often combines all three methods. Brainstorming creates ideas, clustering organizes them, and outlining gives them structure. Together, they make paragraph writing easier, clearer, and less stressful. For English learners, these steps can build confidence and improve the quality of writing.